Today I'm unboxing and trying out this fingerprint lock set that I was sent to try out. Inside of each package, you receive the secure fingerprint lock, the instructions manual, a charging cable, and some mounting hardware. The lock does include some adhesive on the back, but the mounting hardware definitely comes in handy. You can either use the adhesive or mount it into place with the screws. Once it's installed, it provides you with a sturdy way to block doors and cabinets from being opened without an authorized fingerprint. The device is easy to install and use, plus it works really well.